Hello, I am Arkodas. My roll number is 20ME10024. I belong to section 16. As part of the DIY project assignment 2, I have created a 3D model on FreeCAD. The shown model is of a small laptop or palm top holder. It is primarily used to place the keyboard and monitor of a laptop or palm top in a slanted manner in order to work in a more convenient manner. It mainly consists of two parts, the base and the movable slider in order to change the angle of the slope. The framework of the model has been sketched as shown. The base is around 150 mm in height and about 13 mm in thickness. The sliding part has been connected to a pin joint which allows it to slide over the grooves easily. An end support has been provided in order to place the ends of the keyboard. The angles of 65° and 25° can easily be changed by moving the sliding part as per the convenience of the user. This sketch has then been padded in order to give it a desired shape by a height of 130 mm. In order to provide the grooves on which the slider will slide and rest upon, a cylinder of 5 mm radius and 20 mm height has been taken. An array of such cylinders has been created and cut out using the part boolean operator. Two cylinders has been placed on the sliding part in order to function as joints in the structure. Appropriate edges have also been filleted. Finally, a very fine triangular mesh has been placed on the figure in order to give it more strength. Next, this file has been saved. The selected parts have been exported as an STL file. We now go to the Ultimaker Cura software where I have opened the required file. Now as the model is a bit too big, I am going to scale down its dimension. I select this figure and scale it down by a factor of 82%. Having scaled it down, I then go to the print settings where I have made the layer height about 0.2 mm, the infill density of 20%, and the infill pattern will be triangular in nature. The print speed has been set at a maximum of 60 mm per second and the addition type has been print. Now having set the print settings, I slice the 3D model. We see that it will take 3 hours 55 minutes to print it, the 3D print it. I preview this model using the vertical sliding bar where I see how this 3D model will be printed. There we have our own palm top laptop holder which is light, portable and highly useful. That's it. Thank you.